So I am here. I have made it camping. So this is my little campsite. So I have a fire pit down here and a grill up here to cook on. A little picnic table. Have this nice big area up here. I guess that's in case if you wanted to bring a tent. So this time I decided to get one that had 2 parking spaces just so I can have a little extra room. And right over here in walking distance is the restrooms. I can't lie, I am definitely a little nervous to see how these look. Especially because remember those wasps last time? So let's go see how these look. So I didn't want to show y'all too much because someone is actually in there taking a shower right now, but it is most definitely way cleaner. And there's a trash can right here. And a dumpster right there. So everything I need is pretty close, but I have about an hour until it gets dark. So let's go ahead and get my fire started. Let's start cooking and all that good stuff. They're counting like they're about to play hide and go seek, and not in the dark, are they? Are they about to play hide and seek in the dark? You hear that, right? They're counting up like it's not my business. They are not my kids. So I have ran into a dilemma. I want to make some baked beans, but I cannot find my can opener. So I cleaned off my I cleaned this off because I can't think of what it's called right now. Y'all know what it's called. But I cleaned it off, so I'm going to see if I can get it open like that. So let's try. Because I'm making my beans. I'm making my beans. Okay. So we have the initial hole right here. I don't know if y'all can see sauce is already coming out. Let's see if we can get it open more. So I did get it open. That took a lot. So now I just have to do that to the second can. Because yes, I'm making 2 cans because I love beans. So yeah, let's get it started. Whew. Alright, so I did not realize it was supposed to rain, but it is going to rain. I mean, it is giving me a lightning show. So I'm trying to hurry up and finish everything that I need to cook outside. Cleaning up right now. Crazy, crazy day. You hear it? Oh my goodness, my face is just shiny. Oh my gosh, I've been working, y'all. Working. Crazy. So you know I postponed my trip a day. And I really wish I hadn't because it is raining. It just started raining. Thank goodness, like most of my food is done. I'm just going to finish it up in here, but I don't like to pay to camp when it's raining, you know? So I'm probably going to cancel tomorrow if it's raining all day because I'm not going to go hiking. The trails are muddy now, you know? So I'm glad I did that little hike when I first got here. But it sucks, yeah. Probably only going to stay one day. I'm probably going to cancel my second day. It happens. Stuff happens, but I'm going to finish relaxing because I have had a crazy, crazy day, y'all. Currently still editing a video I have to put out tonight, and it's already 8. So this is my last official Vlogmas video, so I'm going to try to get it out to y'all. So I will see y'all later. Let me get back to work. Y'all, so I'm a little nervous. Right before it started to rain, someone over here, they just took off, like they left. I was like, okay, I get that. You don't want to be here in the rain, me either. I get it. And then I saw another car driving by. I don't know if they left or if they were getting here late. I'm not sure. But now there's another car that's across the way, and they just started their car. Hold on, let me make sure they're still there because I don't even hear the car anymore. So yeah, there's another person who just started their car. I hope they don't leave. If they leave, Did they know something I don't? I don't want to be all the way over here by myself. That's gonna suck. I'll do it, but that would really suck. Ooh, my stomach's starting to growl. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up cooking because I'm just gonna be honest, y'all. I was trying to finish my last Vlogmas vlog. So I was trying to hurry up earlier, and I was not doing a great job filming and everything because I knew I had to hurry up and edit. So I did edit it and everything, but the problem is there's no signal out here. So uploading it is an issue. We'll see if we can get it uploaded tonight. I don't know. It's just no signal. But yeah, so I cook mostly everything outside, but I just wanted to cook in here just a little bit longer just to make sure it was thoroughly cooked. But yeah, let's get back on it. The stuff I do for YouTube, I'm trying to tell you, my Wi-Fi is just not working. It's just too many trees. I have been uploading for over an hour and it's only uploaded 25%. So I'm gonna try to go back down to like where the main office is. Oh my goodness, it's lighting up out here like crazy. I'm gonna try to go down there and see if I can get more signal, more reception down there. So I'm driving extra slow because it's super dark and it's raining. But I gotta get this uploaded. So I gotta do what I gotta do. But y'all coming along with me because the stuff I have to do, man. Because look at this. Yeah, this what I'm driving through. This road is windy and it's dark. Because why I feel like it's trying to warn me, like, don't leave the park. I don't, whatever. Okay. Still trying to get signal. None. But I'm hoping once we're out of all of these trees, you know. It went down to one bar now. Oh my goodness. Okay. Whew. All right, so let me try to upload this. So I went down to the entrance of the park and I still did not have enough signal. I could not get my video to upload. So I pulled out, came not even half a mile down the road, and there's this little building. So I parked here. And I have a little bit of signal here. It's gonna take at least 30 to 40 minutes to upload, but I mean, that's better than nothing. So y'all, I came here, I pulled in about 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes. I've been here maybe 7 minutes. So they came around 4 minutes. So I've been here a few minutes and this other car pulled up in here. They pulled up. At first they looked like they were gonna pull up next to me and they didn't. Then they just turned around and they're just sitting kind of sort of behind me. Not right behind me, but like, let me show y'all so you can see in my camera, they're just sitting there behind me.